Yeah, this is all the movable partition wall, and all these products is our product samples. Yeah. This is the code connector. So it's easy. By the way, do you have any experience about this?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay.
You want to start telling them?
Okay, yeah. They operate the code connector and yeah, because before we detect the code system, it's always for the higher panel and the wall height is for.
What's the maximum?
The maximum we can reach 15 meters.
15.
Yeah, 15 meters.
And this system, ¿cómo digo que aguanta este peso? O sea, ¿cuánto peso aguanta, por ejemplo, los...
The weight depends. The weight from, for example, this one, the weight on the